Here's how you can make
fantastic fries
from Steven Universe.
The ketchup is inside the fries?
Let's peel and slice some russet potatoes, and then you want to soak this in ice cold water. Obviously there's not going to be any ketchup in this, so I'm going to syringe in some hot sauce, dry up the potatoes, deep fry at 300 for 5 minutes, and then crank it up to 350 until they're nice and brown. And that's not pretty much it. Now we gotta syringe this. It took me a few tries, but I think I got it.
This is not possible. Okay, so it works, but it's not really as practical. I think the trick is to make sure you don't get any air in your syringe, so that way it doesn't just blow out your fries, because it made a huge mess on my cutting board, and I don't think it's really worth the time, because you could easily just dip your fries into the sauce and then eat it. By the time you're done syringing all the fries, it's gonna get cold, it's gonna get a bit soggy. It is a bit cool to see, but still, look, as long as it's not ketchup, I'm eating it, so.
Can I get some ketchup?
Sorry, no additions or substitutions.
This place is all talk. You can't have fries without ketchup.